Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Sharex on your computer. First open your Google Chrome browser and search Sharex. After that, click on the download button. Click on the latest version of Sharex. Drop down menu and select download button. Click on download button. Downloader starting. After completing download, we are going to install Sharex on my computer. Open download folder and double click on it. Now click on I accept the agreement. Click next. Click on next, and hit install icon. File installing on my computer. Successfully installed done. Launch Sharex. Click on finish.